Inspired by nature's instinct to fill gaps with life, light, and energy, Gensler's Washington, D.C. office renovation transforms a 6,100 square foot urban gap into a harmonious interplay of plants, people, and activities. A new outdoor terrace and reimagined indoor spaces, brimming with greenery and communal seating, invite moments of relaxation, renewal, and connection between colleagues, nature, and the city. By seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor environments, the design dissolves the divide between people and nature, embodying Gensler's dedication to sustainability, collaboration, and innovation. Despite challenges, narrow layout, limited sunlight, soil and weight restrictions, noise, utilities, and timeline, the result is a vibrant space that cultivates equity, resilience, and well-being. The terrace reflects Gensler's commitment to sustainability, introducing biophilic strategies and achieving a 67% reduction in interior lighting and 60% reduction in total lighting. Native and adaptive species support biodiversity, conserve water, and provide year-round interest, bringing the outside in and the inside out. The design reduces stress, enhances air quality, and boosts productivity. The indoor green lounge and outdoor terrace share planter materials, paving modules, and elevation, creating a seamless experience that promotes health and wellness. Innovative strategies include moisture-sensing irrigation, plant-based air purification, and lightweight soil blends. Angelique wood from water-harvested trees and reused roof ballast reduce embodied carbon. The project showcases the power of thoughtful design to transform urban space, merging nature and the built environment with sustainability at its core. Congratulations to Mahan Rykiel Associates.